And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated 108th Indian Science Congress through video conferencing. Addressing the inaugural session of the 5-day event, Prime Minister said India's scientific community will play an important role in achieving the heights India will reach in the next 25 years. He said in the field of science, India has found its place in the top 10 countries of the world. Till 2015, in 130 countries, India was at 81st place in the Global Innovation Index. He said India is among the top 3 countries in PhDs and startup ecosystem.
अगले 25 वर्षों में भारत जिस ऊंचाई पर होगा, उसमें भारत की वैज्ञानिक शक्ति की भूमिका बहुत अहम होगी। साइंस में पैशन के साथ जब देश की सेवा का संकल्प जुड़ जाता है, तो नतीजे भी अभूतपूर्व आते हैं।
Governor